Is your wardrobe boring enough? I do not know yours, but I'm pretty sure mine. Well, it doesn't mean I did not shopping for clothes, but yet, my wardrobe did not satisfy me all the time. Crumpled shirts, old jeans, nondescript t-shirts. This wardrobe have entered its banal era. You know what? Before end of this year, I decided to launch a project that going to make me want to tear every single hair follicles out of my scalp. But who cares? As long as I'm happy with it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. I hope you are all doing well today. Yeah, I'm back after a long break. I did not know it took me that long to back on track, so sorry to keep you waiting. Thank you guys so much for sticking around, really appreciate it. Yeah, I'm going to make my own wardrobe from scratch. Searching crazy inspirations from all over the world yet wearable, trendy and sustainable fashion. So, if you have no sewing basic to make your own clothes, what can we do? Well, through this channel, I will provide you with the formula, and to reward me, subscribe and hit the notification so you never miss out. If you have no sewing basic to make your own clothes, no worry. You either can use your own patterns cutting if you have one, but if it's alright if you don't have, you can always pick a skirt that fits you well from your wardrobe and trace it out. But if you give me just one night. So this week we are working into cargo. Yes, say hello to the 90s. Cargo skirts are in their comeback era. Finally, skirt with pockets big enough to carry your iPhone. Obviously, it isn't the first time cargo pants or skirts have become a fashion hit. We have seen baggy jeans turn into cargo denims and mostly recently cargo pants. Now we are witnessing the returns of cargo skirt. Yes, skirt with pockets in all hues, fabric and length from mini, dini to maxi are back in a real way. The 90s staple is returning to the stage in 2023. Cargo skirts have joined their counterparts as a must-have pieces within the street style hubs, and we are all here for it. So this week, I'm thinking to make something different instead of either making a mini cargo skirt or long cargo skirt. I decided to make it all in one. That means a cargo skirt that can transforming into short mini skirt or also turns it to a long cargo skirt anytime, anywhere as you like. Can I really make it? And will this skirt really able to transform as what I think? Well, let's try it and do it.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time. you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. No. I don't wanna waste my time. No. Maybe you don't wanna know. You don't see what you have in front of you.
So that is all of this project, and here is the look at how it turns out. Hope you enjoyed the video. As usual, more photo of this will be on my Instagram, and don't forget, if you make any of my things, use hashtag #MakeWithPeggy so I can find it and shower love on it. If you are all the way here without subscribing, just subscribe, hit the bell notifications. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.